Let's take a look at the first example. We have to multiply 3.3 by 4 and multiply 2 powers of 10 by themselves too. So I have 10 to negative 9 times 10 to negative 6. Okay, I can write this form because I have multiplication everywhere over here. 3.3 times 4 is 13.2. Anytime I multiply the numbers with the same base, I'm supposed to keep the base and add exponents. Negative 9 plus negative 6 is negative 15. Let's take a look what we have obtained. On the left side of decimal point, I have number which is between 1 and 999, so my number is okay. And exponent of my power of 10 is multiple of 3. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem. First, we're supposed to rewrite this problem. Write 5 times 7 times 10 to negative 4 times 10 to negative 9. Remember, I can do that because I have multiplication over here, over here, over here. Okay, so I have 5 times 7 is equal to 35 times, anytime I have the same base, I keep the base and add exponents. I have negative 4 plus 9. I have 35 times 10 and negative 4 plus 9 is equal to 5. The number on the left side of the decimal point is 35. Okay, this is the number which is between 1 and 999, but my exponent is not multiple of 3. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my decimal point once to left. Anytime my number is getting smaller, exponent will get bigger. So I'm going to have 3.5 times 10 to 6. Okay. Because I moved my decimal point once to left, my number got smaller. I have to increase the value of my exponent, right, by 1. So 5 plus 1 gave me 6. The number on the left side right now of the decimal point is between 1 and 999. The exponent is multiple of 3. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem.